What's up, y'all? How y'all doing? Hope you guys are doing good. So I am here joining the trend with everybody else and making bread. So I have all of my ingredients. The yeast is in the bowl with the sugar. And now I am just waiting for the water to get to the temperature for the yeast so the yeast can be happy. And then the long, tedious process of kneading the bread or the dough. Y'all know what I mean. Okay, let's see how this turns out. Oh, just waiting for that yeast to do what it needs to do. Just wait. What? Oh. Ooh. Doing something. Well, that's exciting. All right, y'all. So I've been having my bread, rising for a little too long, actually. It was only supposed to be an hour, and it's been in there for an hour and a half. So let's see what it looks like. All right, let's see. Oh, Lord. Yep, it's definitely done proofing. That bitch is big. She is big. She's so big, she's splitting in half. Well, I guess I better take it out, I guess. Start baking it. Oops. Nice. Here we go. Seasoned her up. It's an herb mixture that came in this bottle that I'm not even going to attempt to say its name. Okay, well, it goes something like herbs that prevents, I don't even know, I think it's French. It sounds French. But there's lavender in it, so yeah. All right, we'll see you in about 45 minutes. All right, 45 minutes. I hope it turns out good. All right, so just gotta wait 45 minutes for the bread to hurry up bake. Tried a different recipe this time. Flour, yeast, sugar, salt. Did I say water? Water. I mean, really, the only thing I did different was I sprinkled that herb I don't even want to say it. It's the only thing different that I did, so we'll see what it's like when it comes out. I'm really excited. All right, so what to do for 45 minutes, though? That is the question. What am I going to do? I do have some Jeffree Star that I can catch up on. He did upload a video today. Catch up on some tea. Speaking of tea, y'all, my mom got me this chamomile that tastes so good. Yes. So, bread's done. Let's see what it looks like. Whoa, that's a hot steam. Ow. Forget about that part. But anyways, look at them. Look at those two big old balls of bread. I'm so excited. Oh, I can't wait to eat it. Don't judge me. I forgot my oven mitts are in the laundry. See if I can take this out without burning myself. Oh, I know what y'all thinking. This is stupid. Yep, that's stupid. Nope, not doing it. Okay, boy. Woo. All right, that was really hot. Really hot. Whatever you do, don't use this. Don't do what I just did. That was stupid. I don't know why I did that. I guess I should have washed the oven mitts. Who knew? I didn't know it was baking today, actually, because it's kind of like last minute. All right, I really hope I baked this right, because they feel a little, you hear that? a little hard, you know, when I put that on the plate. Bitch sounds like a rock when it... All right, well, let's see what happens. All right, y'all, here we go. You ready? Oh my God. Home baked bread. Oh. I mean, oh my God. I can eat that whole entire damn ball by myself. Trust. Oh. So it's got a nice crunchy outside, but chewy in the middle. Well, oh my goodness, y'all. So I decided to put some butter on this bitch right here. I can't even talk right now. Bye.